No.
Oh my God, you should try. The Filipinas are very hospitable. Once you make love to a Filipina, you go straight to the hospital. No. I'm just kidding, huh? Don't get mad, huh? I'm just kidding. You know what kidding is? What? No, kidding. When you're not old yet, you're kidding. When you grow, you're maturing. When you're old like them, you're dying. Joke lang. Okay. You know, you should try dating a Filipina. The Filipinas are wonderful women. They are amazing women. Yeah. The Filipinas make the best wives in the whole world. I should know because I am a Filipina. Yeah. I am a